Good day, everyone. We are from Group 7. We are assigned to report about measurement of central tendency. And this is the objective of our topic. At the end of the lesson, the students or the learners are expected to: number 1, understand the purpose of measurement of central tendency. Number 2, calculate and interpret measurement of central tendency, the mean, mood, and median for a set of data. And number 3 objectives: define and identify mean, median, and mood and range in a given set of data. So, what is measurement of central tendency? When we say measurement of central tendency, any measures representing the center of any given set of data, arranged in an ascending or descending order of amount. There are 3 measures of central tendency. These are median, mean, and mood. The first measurement of central tendency is mean. Mean measures of central tendency, also called arithmetic mean or average. Mean has a formula. This is x equals to summation of n equals 1x over n, where n is the total number of data, where summation of n equals 1x is the sum of the data set. The second measure of central tendency is the median. The median of rank list of n number is the middle number if n is odd. The mean of 2 middle numbers if n is even. So the last and the third measure of central tendency is the mood. Mood, the number that occurs most frequently, the most common score in a set of scores, and a data can have more than one mood or not at all.
So example number 1, the quiz scores of 10, 9, 1, 8, 7, 8, 4, 6, and 5. Since the use in this example is ascending, arrange the scores from smallest to largest, so it will be 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, and 10. Next, n or the total number of data is 9 because there are 9 scores. Now let's proceed how to find its mean, median, and mode. To find the mean, you will first need to add up all the values in the data set. So 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equals to 58 and divided by the total number of data, which is 9. So the mean is 6.44. Next is median. Since the total number of data is 9, which is odd, the median is the middle score. Since 7 is the middle score, the median is x is equals to 7. And the last is mode. Since 8 appeared more frequently than the other scores, the mode is x is equals to 8. Next, example number 2. The exam scores of 92, 84, 84, 76, 88, 90, 88, 84, 88, and 90. Since the use in this example is descending, arrange the scores from largest to smallest. So it will be 92, 90, 90, 88, 88, 88, 84, 84, 84, 84, and 76. Next, n or the total number of data is 10 because there are 10 scores. Now let's proceed how to find its mean, median, and mode. To find the mean, you will first need to add up all the values in the data set. So 92 plus 90 plus 90 plus 88 plus 88 plus 88 plus 84 plus 84 plus 84 plus 76 is equals to 864 and divided by the total number of data, which is 10. So the mean is 86.4. Next is median. Since the total number of data is 10, which is even, the median is the mean of the two middle scores. Since the two middle score is 88 and 88, add the two scores and divide it by 2. So x is equals to 88 plus 88 divided by 2, and the median is 88. And the last one is mode. Since 88 and 84 are both appeared thrice, the mode is x is equals to 88 and 84.
What is weighted mean? Weighted mean is the type of mean that is calculated by multiplying the weight or probability associated with its associated quantitative outcome and then summing all the products together. It is very useful when calculating a theoretically expected outcome where each outcome has a different probability of occurring, which is the key feature that distinguishes the weighted mean from the arithmetic mean. The formula of weighted mean is sigma wx divided by sigma w, which means sigma is the summation, or in other words, add them up, and w is the weights, and x is the value. In order to use this formula, here are the following steps. Number 1. Multiply the numbers or value in your data set by weights. Number 2. Add the numbers in step 1 and set this number aside for a moment. Step 3. Add up all the weights multiplied to numbers. Step 4. Divide the numbers you found in step 2 by the number you found in step 3.
For example number 1, Alex usually eats lunch 7 times a week, but some weeks only gets 1, 2, or 5 lunches. Alex had lunch on 2 weeks, only 1 lunch for the whole week. On 14 weeks, 2 lunches each week. On 8 weeks, 5 lunches each week. On 32 weeks, 7 lunches each week. What is the mean number of lunches Alex has each week? Use weeks as the weighting. Weeks times lunches is equals to 2 times 1 plus 14 times 2 plus 8 times 5 plus 32 times 7 is equals to 2 plus 28 plus 40 plus 224 is equals to 294. Also add up the weeks. Weeks is equals to 2 plus 14 plus 8 plus 32 is equals to 56. Divide total lunches by total weeks. Mean is equals to 294 divided by 56 is equals to 5.25. For the next part of the video, we are about to see how to find the weighted mean in the other way. W for the number of weeks or the weight, X for the lunches or the value we want the mean of. Multiply W by X, sum up W and sum up WX. Weight 2, 14, 8, 32. Lunches 1, 2, 5, 7. So 2 times 1 equals 2, 14 times 2 equals 28, 8 times 5 equals 40, and 32 times 7 equals 224. So the total or the summation of weight is equals to 56. The summation of WX equals to 294. After finding the summation of WX and the summation of W, let us solve for the total weighted mean. Total weighted mean is equals to 294 divided by 56 is equals to 5.25. So the total weighted mean is equals to 5.25.
To the example problem, you take 3 100-point exams in your statistics class and you score 80, 80, and 95. The last exam is much easier than the first two, so your professor has given it less weight. The weights for the 3 exams are: exam number 1, 40% of your grade. Note, 40% as a decimal is 0.4. Exam number 2, 40% of your grade. Exam number 3, 20% of your grade. So what is your final weighted mean for the class? So this is how you solve it. Multiply the numbers in your data set by the weights. Just like this. 0.4 times 80 is equals 32. 0.4 times 80 is equals 32. 0.2 times 95 is equals 19. So you need to do is add the numbers up. 32 plus 32 plus 19 is equals 83. So your weighted mean is 83.